Now, live with a new funding campaign is LABFRESH, a fashion brand famous for shirts that repel body odour, stains and wrinkles. Lotte and Casper are pitching their idea to 4 of their customers. Will the dragons choose to invest? Will you? Let's get this show started.
Hello Dragons, my name is Casper.
And I'm Lotte, and we're the co-founders of LABFRESH.
We're here today asking for 400,000 euros as an investment in our business. Instead of equity, we are offering 7% annual interest rate and full repayment after 4 years.
So Casper and I, we've been obsessed about using the newest textile technologies in making the most high-performing basics that are comfortable and also durable. All the products we make, they have their own unique features. I brought today here an undershirt that is really good at repelling sweat, so you can sweat a lot on the inside. We tested it up until like 2 liters. And then you don't see it on the outside. So good basics, but better.
Today we have more than 160,000 customers and a full collection that repels body odor and stains. And this enables our customers to wear outfits like this for on average 3.8 days between washes.
Sounds a bit disgusting.
Well, actually it's not, because all our products are antibacterial, which means that bacteria is killed and that's what's causing the odor. It also doesn't absorb sweat as much, so actually it's a lot fresher.
So there's a lot of fashion brands out there. What makes you so special?
Well, I think what makes us quite special is that we're very community driven. Our customers are not only consumers, but they also have been investing in us. We're actually the most crowdfunded European fashion brand. It brought us from 0 to 10 million, but we just think it's such a nice way to finance our business.
I like you and I like the product, but how am I going to make money?
Unlike when you guys invest in shares, we give you a guaranteed 7% interest rate per year. So over this whole period, it becomes a cumulative profit of 28%. We're going to open up 2 more flagship stores and start up with wholesale.
That's retail, and retail is dying. Why are you not sticking to online?
Well, stores don't kill digital, they fuel it. And our 3 stores have been profitability drivers.
Well, this is where it gets tough. What's the risk?
There's always a risk when you invest, of course, but we previously borrowed 800,000 euros to open the first 3 stores. By November, we paid back 700,000 euros of that. So we feel like this is a good time to borrow more money and take the next step in retail.
So, full disclosure here, I've invested in you 6 years ago. I'm here now. As you know, I have a bank. I offered you a loan. Why not take a loan?
That's because, to be completely honest, we would like to share the profits of LABFRESH with the customers instead of with you and other bank owners.
Ouch.
I will tell you where I am. You've got me hooked.
So when you 2 walked downstairs, I thought, no. But the numbers stack up, so I'm in.
I am actually hemorrhaging money as we speak with my portfolio. So 28% return in 4 years sounds like a dream to me. So I'm in. Where can I sign?
The most important thing for a company as founders is that you have a good relationship. It's almost like a marriage, and you guys already are married, so I'm in.
Thank you for all your money.
We're going to spend your money
Thank you for all your money.
Spend the money.
Thank you for all your money.
Thank you.